Okay, good morning class. So today we're looking at an exercise dealing with angles and lines. We're on number 1.8. So this was homework for today. Right, so how do we solve for x here? Or A is first. How do we solve for A? Anybody? How do we solve for A? Sorry? Alternate angles. Yes. Can you see that, people? There's a Z. Remember, for if we see parallel lines, what should come to mind? Our fuzz angles. Or fuzz angles, no? Okay. So let's go. So we got alternate angles. So we say A is equal to 80 degrees. Why? Alternate angles with AB being parallel to C. So A is 80. You'll also note that as I'm going through the diagrams or the different examples, what do you notice? I always write in the angle that I've calculated. So in one glance, looking at the diagram, I know what I have. You guys understand? How do you calculate B? If corresponding angles. So you will see that before. If it's coming through like that. So those angles are equal. Not so? So we're going to say that B is equal to 50 degrees. Why? Corresponding angles with AB being parallel to there's 50. How do you calculate C? C is vertically opposite. Can you see that, people? There's two lines. The vertically opposite angles are equal. C is equal to 80 degrees. Vertically opposite. There we go.
So,
Yes?
does it have to be in like the order of ABC?
No, not the order doesn't matter. Okay?
So,
Yes?
is there a way if you say that C is equal to 80 doesn't correspond?
C is equal to. Yes, there's another way. C is corresponding. For those of you who don't see it, C is corresponding there. There's the F. Nice. Go for it at the back. Yeah, it's the same. Okay. Anybody else? Easy, no? You see why this is my favorite? We must like easy stuff. Number 9. Number 9. Whoops. How are you going to calculate y? Your parallel line. So what comes to mind? Corresponding, alternate, going to. Right. How are you going to calculate y? Huh? Oh, you guys see it. Going to the angles. Can you see that? So y plus 3y. Y plus 3y is equal to 180. Why? Going to the angles with AB being parallel to CD. Not so. Why do you think I make one arc there and two arcs there? They are not equal, yeah, they're different. Okay. I think previously you would have seen me make one arc and one arc. I think it was here. I said that, and that was equal. Can you see that? One arcs mean to say they are equal, two arcs they are equal, but 1 and 2 is different. No? Right, what's y plus 3y? 4y is equal to 180. Divide by 4 now. So y is 45. Okay. So what's the side of this angle? Three times 45, which is 135. And that is 45. 45 plus 135? Okay. Yes?
Are we also supposed to work that out?
No? I'm just showing you. Anyone else that's confused? No? Carry on to our lives. Again, we have parallel lines. So what comes to mind? The fun angles. Not so. Let's calculate A. How are we going to calculate A? Alternate angles. You all see the Z. So A is equal to 60 degrees. Why? Alternate angles with AC being parallel to D. You could have said AB, AC, BC, CB, CA. Doesn't matter. Okay? So that is 60 degrees. Right. How do you calculate B? Alternate angles again, but the other way around now, not so. So B is 7. So B is equal to 70 degrees. Why? Again, alternate angles with AC being parallel to D. I'm going to calculate C. Angles on the straight line. Okay. There's going to be 60 plus C plus 70 is equal to 180. Why? Straight line. So C is equal to 180 minus 60, which is 120 minus 70 is 50 degrees. Any questions? And I'm sure there's other ways of calculating it as well. Because I had 60 here, at that point I had 60, I had 70, so I could have gone with co-interior angles as well. Did you see that? It would have been 60 plus C plus 70 is equal to 180, co-interior, with AC being parallel to DE. So that would have been C is equal to 180 minus 60 minus 70, which is again 50. And again, there's many ways of calculating the same, the unknown angles. Yes, Michael?
So is it for me, I see the BC is parallel to DE.
What did I say earlier on? You're not listening. I said you could have said A for this line. You could have said AB, AC, BC, CB, CA, BCA. It's all the same thing referring to that line. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. Let's look at number two here. People, these lines are parallel. So what comes to mind? Again, the fun angles. Not so. I think I would rather write fun here. The people think, well, I'm talking about fun if it's fuzz. Determine angle 1 to 6 in this order with reason. Everything geometry we need to give these. Okay. I'm going to calculate angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to 75. Why? Corresponding. The F being formed. Can you see that, people? So we say angle 1 is equal to 75 degrees. Why? It's corresponding angles with GD being parallel. Can you see GD is parallel to AB? Okay. You guys understand? Any confusion there? Alright, so I'm going to put 75 degrees. Number 2. Now I'm going to calculate angle 2. Sorry? Alternate angles. It's either alternate to angle 1 or alternate to 75 degrees. Can you see that, people? So either or. However, if I had seen it parallel to that thing, then I would have said AEF is parallel to GD alternate. Not so. Or if I seen it this way, then I would have said EF is parallel to AB. Both would get you the full mark. You guys understand? Right. So I'm going to say that angle 2 is also 75 degrees. It is alternate angles with EF being parallel to GD or AB. Doesn't matter. Okay. I'm going to do angle 3. Co-interior, yes. I could have gone with co-interior. So angle 3 plus 75 is 180. Why? Co-interior angles with EF being parallel to AB. How else could you have worked that one out? Yes?
So we're also supposed to find out the angles for the other ones. Because I thought we were just supposed to find the 1 and 6.
1, 2. That means 2. 1, 2, 6. Not O, the 6. So your homework was easy, like you just did 2 things and hey. People, how else could you calculate the 3? Angles on a straight line. Angles on the straight line adds up to 180. You guys understand? So you're going with the Higgins one first. So you went with co-interior. So 75 degrees plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Why? Co-interior angles with EF being parallel to AB. So angle 3 is equal to 180 minus 75, which is 105. I'm going to do angle 4. Co-interior, yes. That's one way. So angle 4 plus 75 is co-interior. How else? Sorry? Angles on a straight line. So 70 plus angle 4 is also 180. Straight line. Or corresponding, the F. But 4 is equal to 5. That's not going to help us. 5 is not marked yet. Co-interior. Alternative. But no calculation needed there. You see that? So angle 4 plus 6 plus 105 is 180 co-interior. So angle 4 is equal to 105. Alternate angles with GD being parallel to AB. That is now 75. 105, sorry. Angle 5. Vertically opposite. Can you all see that, people? Angle 5 is now vertically opposite. Or corresponding. You see that, people? or angles on a straight line. Can you see? Or any one of those going to get you the full mark. Okay. So angle 5 is equal to 105. It is vertically opposite. Angle 6 also vertically opposite. Angle 6 is equal to 75 degrees. Okay? See, any confusion there? Any questions? Okay? See, working with this is fun, huh? Right, where do we start here? Determine 1 to 4 with reason. Again, Grace's friend. Muriel only did numbers 1 and 4. Jesus. And here we think she works hard. Okay. People, numbers 1 to 4. We try and do it in order as far as possible. If we can't, then of course we just do whichever. Order is not important. Are you going to do one? Alternate angles, yes. Nice. Here's a Z. So angle 1 is equal to 80 degrees. We said it's alternate angles with AB being parallel to DC with D. Angle 2. Corresponding. Why are you laughing? Sarah? Huh? Oh yeah. Oh, is it time to shine? Okay, nice. So you'll do 3 now, only. You all agree is corresponding. So the angle 2 is 80 degrees. And you thought you didn't have it in you see? Corresponding angles with, now you see these lines are not parallel, no? Which is BC is parallel to AD, or AD is parallel to BC, or DA is parallel to CB, whatever. Okay. Yes, order number 3. Alternate, he says, you all agree with that?
Yes, sir.
3 is alternate to 45 degrees. No? The angle 3 is equal to 45 degrees. Why? So alternate angles with AB being parallel to DE. Last one, number 4. Co-interior. Yep. The co-interior, 80 plus 80 plus angle 4 plus 45. 80 plus angle 4 plus 45 is equal to 180. Why? Co-interior angles with AB being parallel to D. So angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 80 minus 45, which is 55, I think. No? 55, correct? People, there was another way of doing it. Sorry? Angles on a straight line. You're going to say 45 plus angle 4 plus 80 is equal to 180, straight line, and you should get again 55. Verstaan julle? Mizan? Right. Next. Number 4. You had to do till number 5. I gave you a lot of homework, man.
Yes.
But why do I give you so much homework? I want you to do well. That's why. Okay. Why didn't you tell me to change the marker you had the end already? Nothing. That's fine. Right. Wat gaan hier aan? Even the parallel line. So what comes to mind? One angle, yeah. I'm going to calculate x. Co-interior angles. The U is being formed here. Can you see that? So, x plus 30 is equal to 180y. Co-interior angles with AB being parallel to. Okay. What's x plus x? 2x equal to 180 minus 30. What's 180 minus 30? 150. Divided by 2? 75. Who got that one right? You did your homework this time. Nice. Proud. But she looks like she also understands you. Yes? You don't have your maths book here? Why not? You must drink it. Come. I see your heart is actually here. You did it. We'll check tomorrow. Yeah, they'll get you tomorrow. Yes. Do? Did week 2 I don't see you on a Friday? Huh? I know it's 1 week a day in the week. Or is that the best day of the week now? Alright, so let's go. I'm going to calculate y. Again, co-interior. You all agree with that? So what did we say? Y plus 50 plus y equals 180y. Co-interior angles with AB being parallel to. What's y plus y? 2y is equal to 180 minus 50, which is 130. Divided by 2 both sides. Therefore y is 65. Okay. $360. So what did you write? Sorry? Plus y, yes? Okay, when you find it, you let me know. Let's carry on quickly. We have to do number 5. Yes?
You said only up to number 4.
Looks like Arya also wants to join you guys.
I did my homework. I thought you said number 4.
Okay. Right. People are going to calculate x. angles on a straight line. Tegan is on fire. Yes. Angles on a straight line adds up to 180. So I say 90 plus x plus equals 180. Why? Straight line. So x is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 42. Which is 90 minus 42? 48. I'm going to calculate y. Vertically opposite. Can you all see that, people? That is vertically opposite to that. So y is equal to 42 degrees. Why? Vertically opposite. How do you calculate out? How you calculate out? Yes, Ryan?
So like it's minus everything's by 180.
No, man. O is this point. Oh, yeah. Yes.
So,
Yes.
is it okay if for
If
y
yes.
I said I calculated it and I said it's for on a straight line?
Could you have done that, people? I would say there's many ways of doing these things. As long as you're applying the rules of mathematics correctly, or geometry, you're saying that that angle's on a straight line. So 48 plus 90 plus y is equal to 180. Straight line. So y is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 48, which is 48. Okay. Yes, Michael.
So does that mean we can also do vertically opposite without the line at the bottom?
Vertically opposite down now. Well, for y?
Yes, without the line at the bottom. Because I thought it was supposed to be an X.
So you say vertically opposite here.
And then the other line right here as well. Like an X.
Just check it cleaner before I say yes or no. So you're saying to calculate y.
To give it, to be
So
able
y
to-
plus 90, is that what you're talking about?
Not to be able to like do vertically opposite. There must be an X.
So that's what I did here. This vertically opposite.
Oh.
Does O make you confusion? You got it now? The full lesson can be found in the description box below. Our homework is number 6 to 10.